Hello, it's Catherine from my hillside garden, Northeast Pennsylvania, Zone 6. Here are my onions. And the question I have today, because I believe I planted these on the 19th of January, so it's been about a month. But my concern is, see how the roots, oh, where am I? There we go. See how the roots are almost out of the soil, the whole plant? Should I be concerned about that, or are these going to be okay for about another month or so in these trays? If you could leave a comment in the box below, let me know if they'll last till then, or if I should pot them up. Can I pot them up as a group and just put a little bit more soil on top of them? Or do I need to do them separately? So that's part one of the grow room update. Part two is the horrible germination of the onion seeds that I used 2 weeks ago when I put in the bunches of seeds to have spring onions. They were seed that was old, so I know that's probably the issue. These white Lisbon, at least they look halfway like they're going to come, well, maybe not. So I guess I'm going to have to get fresh spring onion seed for this season. Then the other thing I wanted to show you that's going on in the grow room, take a look at my sweet potato. Now this sweet potato was from my garden, the Zone 7 garden last summer. And look, it's got slips already. I'm so pleased about this because I really am looking forward to growing more sweet potatoes this year. So, let's see if I could zoom in a little bit. Don't they look nice? But look at how big that sweet potato is. Now I do have a couple more, and they've just come up on their own from the sweet potatoes that were in storage. One thing I'll have to remember for next year is to keep them in the dark. They were here in the grow room, and once the lights started to be used for one reason or another, they started to sprout. So that's a good thing. We'll be having sweet potatoes again this year. I'm very pleased with my celeriac. I think that's doing really great. I'm going to let it go probably another week or so, I think, before I pot it up. But I'm very pleased with the progress on it. Here's the continuity lettuce. That, as you can see, has done rather well. Let me pull that out from underneath there. That's done very well. So I will pot those up in the next day or so. And let's see what else we have. Oh, we have our celery. And we had pretty good germination on that. I do have a couple of empty spots that I'll need to fill in, so I'm going to get the seeds back out and pop them in there as well. So that's my update for the day of the grow room. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And please, if you have a recommendation on what I should do with the onions at the beginning of the video, should I do something? Should I not do something? I've never grown them from seed before, so I could really use some help with that. Leave me a comment. Have a great day. Happy gardening.